Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to play this crazy Pentecostal groove, okay? So if you're interested, kindly stick to the end so that you don't miss any part of the video, okay? So guys, let's go and check out the video and see. Okay, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, just please give this video a like and also leave a comment too, okay? If you're also new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. But before you go or before you watch the lesson, don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell, okay? I also do private bass lessons, okay? So if you're interested, you see the link over here, or you can see the link in my comment section box below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Then we can start doing some stuff over there, okay? So guys, let's begin with a breakdown. Let's check out the progression before we can proceed with the breakdown, okay? So the normal progression of the song goes like this. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Okay, so let me mention it in numbers and notes, okay? So da, 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 that is your 1 and your do. Da, 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 re, your 2. Da, 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 re. Then you come to your 5, your so. Da, 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 your 1. Da, 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 your fa. That is your 4. Da, 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 that is your re, your 2, da, your so, your 5, da, da. Okay, so put it in mind, okay? So before I start the breakdown, I want to show you how I started with my own progression that is in the song, okay? You can also learn that too. So I started this way. Da, 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 da. Okay, so you should try and listen to the video I played. Try and listen to it very well so that you can understand the concept or how I did everything in the video. Then you can watch the lesson, okay? So da 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 da. Okay, so da 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 la re da 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 so do. Okay, so the groove for that part goes like this. Da 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 da. Okay, so that is on your la. Da 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 da. Okay, so it goes la la di mi la re. You see how it goes? So you play your la like twice. Da 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 da. Okay, we are on the la progression. Okay, so da 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 da. You see, so la la di mi la re, la la di mi la re. If you don't know where your re is, if you play your do, the next key is your D. Okay, so la la di mi la re. So now we are going to the re progression. That is your re. I told you that from your la, you'll be going to your re. Okay, so la la di mi la re. Okay, when you've done playing your re, then now you have to slide to your la. Okay, so do, la, mi, la. Okay, so your mi on your first string, your la on your second string. Okay, then you play your re on your first string. Okay, so you see, so Da 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 da. You see how it goes. Da 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 da. Okay. So when you've done playing ba da ba da, then you play your la, re. Okay. So now let's join the la and the re progression together. So da 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 da. So now we have seen the two progression groove easy. Okay, so now let's go to the so, because from your la to your re is to your so. You get me? Okay, so da 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 da. Then now you slide to your re again. Then you play your la on your second string. Then you play your re again, that is on your third string. Then you play your so. Okay. Okay. I hope you're getting it. So then you play your so on your fourth string. Then you play your do back again. Okay. So now let's join all the grooves together. So da 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 da. So let me show you the double plug I use in any of the notes. So ba 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 ba. Okay, so on your la I plucked like twice. Okay. Then on the so too I plucked like twice. Okay, so okay. So now da 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 da. Okay, so da 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 da. So it goes like this from your do to your fa. Da 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 da. Okay, so do ti la so fa do la. Okay, do ti la so fa do la di re. Okay, fa re mi so ti do. Okay, re fa re so so ti do. You can do it any way you want, just that you need to end very well. So re fa re mi so, re fa re mi so ti do, or re mi fa la so, or re fa re so so ti do. So now for that part, let me break it down. For that part, let me play all of it and see how it goes. Da 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 da. Okay, I even didn't play this. So when you play your so do do mi so, then now you can count do ti la so. Okay, so put that in your mind. So do do mi so. Okay, do do mi so. Okay, so let me start. Da 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 da. Do ti la so fa do la di re fa re mi so ti do. Okay, then you want to start again. Okay, so now let me break down the second one I played. So da 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 da. So da 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 da. This progression goes like this: do re mi. So this progression goes from do mi la. Okay, so do mi la re. Okay, you saw that the first progression I started from my la re, but now I'll be starting from do mi la. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, so the groove for that part goes like this. Do re mi so mi. Okay, so you play your do, re mi so mi. Okay, so do, re, mi, so, mi, do, mi, la. Okay, so do. You see, da 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 da. You understand? So do, re, mi, so, mi, do, mi, la. Then now to your re. Okay, so re, mi, so, re. Okay, do, re, mi, so, mi, do, mi, la, re, mi, so, re. Then you play the first groove. The first groove is a little bit different from the second groove, because when you don't play da 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 da, here you'll be plucking it twice. The first one goes like this. Okay, so you put the first one in your mind and the second one. Okay, so da 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 da. So it goes like this. Da 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 da. The same groove. Okay, so put that in your mind. So it goes pa pa para pa 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 para pa pa. Okay, so now da 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 da. You won't be playing this anymore. Okay, so this is how I did mine. So da 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 da. You understand? Da da. So I slided from my do to my mi. So using my root and my octave to do that. So I'll slide to my do, then play my octave do, slide to my re, play my octave re, slide to my mi, play my octave mi. So da 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 da. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, so da 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 da. So remember that from your do you'll be going to your fa. You understand? So you have your do here. Okay, you need to learn your modes if you don't know you have your do here. So ba ba ba. So when you don't play your mi mi, then you play your do, so, do, fa. Okay, so ba da ba da ba da, do, so, do, fa. So now you'll be playing to your la. Okay, and you need to, if you don't know how to be using this part, this higher, this small note over here, you just need to learn that. Okay, so do, so, do, fa. Okay, so fa, do, fa, then you slide do, fa, on your so, do, so, la, so, do, so, la. Okay, so, do, so, la, so, do, so, la. Okay, ba 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 ba. Okay, so now to your re. So I did it this way. Okay, so when you've done playing your la, then you play your la, then you do it this way. Okay, so it goes like this. Do, re, so, re, re, re. Okay. 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 Do, re, so, re, 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 re. Okay, so okay, so I hope you are getting it. So now to your so, re, la, re, so, do, mi, fa, fi, so. Then you can start with the groove again. Okay, so this is just a short tip for you. Try and learn the progression. Okay, try and learn, master the progression and master the groove in the progression. Okay, because you can meet this progression in another song. Okay, just learn the bass line and try and apply it out there. Okay, so Okay, so guys, I'll see you next time in this same YouTube channel. Okay, don't forget to share to your friends. Bye for now.